See here you will see how to develop a location based application in Android. Android mobile can get location information from its built-in GPS receiver, Wi-Fi network, and also from the registered cell tower. We have to, before developing the application, we have to see what is the accuracy of location information we want. So based on that we can program some parameters. So here what are the parameters? First you can program the location priority. If it is low power priority, means it is accuracy of around 10 kilometers. Balanced power accuracy of around 100 meters. High accuracy, this is the most accurate one provided by the mobile. It uses GPS. It can deliver a location update within 50 meters of accuracy, or sometimes within few meters of accuracy. No power means the Android mobile will not trigger any location fix for this app. If some other app running on the mobile receives location update, then it will inform this app. So the other parameter is update interval. So how often you want the location update in milliseconds. Fastest update interval, the how fast your application can handle the location update. So if system delivers location update every 10 seconds, you can delete. So you have to specify what is your limit, your app limit. So 30 seconds or 20 seconds, whatever it is. Then how soon you need the location, so that is the latency in milliseconds. Then in the manifest you have to specify the location permissions: course location, find location, and the background location. The background location permission is available for the devices running Android 10 and above. You specify the course location if you want less accurate location. If you need a GPS level of accuracy, then you specify the find location permission. If you are receiving the location update continuously from a service, then for Android 10 and above you have to specify in the service parameter attribute Android foreground service location in your manifest. Then different devices are running different versions of the Android. For in Android 10, if you request a find location permission, then you will get a dialog something like this: runtime permission only while using app, like that. And if you ask a background location permission, you will get one more option: allow all the time. This option also will be there. In Android 11 you won't get the allow all the time option. You have to manually go to the location settings and enable the allow all the time if you want a background location update. See, this option you have to enable if you want a background location update. In Android 12, even if the user if your app requests a find location permission, user has the choice of granting approximate location only instead of the accurate location. So depending on the device, so in Android 12 you may get all the options like both precise as well as approximate, and you will get only approximate only also you will get like this. So for that what you have to do is, even if you need to find location for your application, you specify the permission for the course location also. Okay, so in Android 10 and 100 below 110 devices, when you receive background location update, then it will display a notification like this, saying your app is accessing the background location. See, here I have an app in Google Play Store. This is app name is GeoPost. This uses all the three permission: course location, file location, as well as the background location. These apps continuously sends location update to a backend server. So here, although I need a background location, I don't request background location directly. First I request the file location, then I request the background location. See, first I type the mobile number, then they start the location updates. When I start the location update, first I request file. See, I am requesting only the file location first. So now you see, then after that you see I am provided a button to request. Now I am requesting the background location. Android provides one-time location as well as periodic location updates. So here how I receive one-time location. I am displaying user location on the map. So I declare a user location provider client here. Then I get the instance of that provider client, and just read the last known location, just checking the permission whether I have the location permission. Then I am just reading the last known location of the user. So now how to request the periodic location. First you construct a location request object with those parameters which I explained, like location interval. I specified for 60 seconds for my application. Then fastest is 30 seconds I specified. Latency I specified 2 minutes. I need high accuracy, that's GPS accuracy, so priority high accuracy I specified. Then because my app needs background location update, I specify a broadcast receiver as a pending intent. That broadcast receiver will be called whenever a location update comes. And then I start the location update with that location request update as well as the pending intent. Using the fuse location client request location update, the periodic location update. If you want to stop it, then you can fuse location remove location update. Okay, now for this is the broadcast receiver. As soon as the location information is received, I am sending it to a backend server. Okay, so I am checking something and sending to a backend server. See, in the manifest, this is how I specify the broadcast receiver, and what is this broadcast intent I specified. Now for how I request the runtime permission. I am using the activity result API to request permission and to handle permission results. This is for the file location. I have specified the activity result function. When it is granted, then I am starting the location update. Similarly, for the background location permission also, I defined the activity result function. Here also I am calling a start location update. So Here I am just checking. This is how I starting the permission launcher. Permission launcher with the find location permission, and here I am starting the permission launcher for the background location permission.